See, the real beer. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you on very simple mocktail, that fruit beer mocktail. Actually you can try. The mocktail name is fruit beer Fizz. Very simple mocktail, actually you can try. First of all, you will take a beer mug, then you have to pour fruit beer syrup. You have to pour 20 ml of fruit beer syrup. Then you have to pour, simply this is very simple mocktail, you can try. You can put carbonated water or soda. You have to see how the color came. Very simple mocktail, you can try. If you are non-alcoholic, you can try this. You have to pour like 250 ml of carbonated water or soda. Then you have to put like mixed fruit flavor juice. Okay, so I am adding. See, the real beer color came, you can see. See, your mocktail is ready. Okay, trying this mocktail. Yes, and try this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.